What is your name? Where are you from? What is happening here?
Maruna from Government Autonomous College Rajahmundry, and here the interdirectorate competition is going on. Here the people are from different groups from
Okay.
Kakinada, Secunderabad, all over AP and Telangana.
Okay, in Telangana.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
From Kakinada there are 5 of us, and from different groups there are lot of more. Initially there are 175 cadets who participated here,
Okay.
and 51 of us got selected into this camp,
Okay.
and 24 of them will go to the next one.
Okay.
So this was, the full form was Inter-Directorate Service Shooting Competition, which means between different directorates there are whole lot of 17 directorates. They will compete with each other, and the best one will go to Maulankar, which is a national camp.
Okay. Will be getting opportunity to participate in this firing competition.
For this, the NCC cadets who fire well in their battalions will come and fight in the intergroup competition.
Okay. How far it helps to these NCC cadets?
Sir, initially NCC was a part of army, sir. Okay. So this thing which we are learning now, the firing, will also help us in further the fightings or for the armed force services. Yes.
As an NCC cadet, how do you feel when you hold the gun in your hand? How do you feel?
Sir, it's a privilege to hold a gun, sir. No, not in a lifetime. No one can hold rifles, sir. We get a chance to hold rifles for free. Government will provide us with all the facilities, from the food, the accommodation and everything.
So as an NCC cadet, how do you feel when you wore the dress on you?
Sir, once a cadet is always a cadet, sir. We feel proud to wear a uniform which got respect to it, and yes, sir.
Who inspired you to be an NCC cadet?
Sir, obviously the army people, sir. Okay. They fight for us a lot. The most we can do is learning how they live their life.
How do you want to serve to the nation as an NCC cadet?
Sir, NCC teaches us what discipline is. So when we go into the society, we'll have the inner feeling to help others and to support people and help
Nowadays, many students are not coming to join in NCC. Okay, what is your suggestion or valuable words towards them?
Sir, the reason is they are not aware of NCC, sir. They were not aware of the uses the NCC gives them. Sir, C certificate holders will have lot of opportunities in the future, sir. They'll have vacancy and reservation in the competitions, the competitive examinations, and also C certificate holders will have direct entry to SSB, sir. That's a great
You are so strong and stubborn. Who prepared you to be like this?
Obviously our staff, sir. They'll motivate us.
What do you want to tell to this staff who supported you, who be like you?
Thank you is not enough, sir.
Okay.
I used to be so shy and I couldn't able to speak. Now I can go outside and talk to people and communicate very well, sir.
Okay. Schooling only. Yes. So what is your words especially? It is from to join in NCC. Schooling only. Yes. So what is your words to join in that?
NCC, we may not find it very useful when we hear about it. Okay. But when we join this, we can learn something new and we'll know what the experiences it gives us and the strength it gives us, sir.
As an NCC cadet, sometimes you have to stay beyond the village, beyond your country, beyond your local area. So then how do you feel?
Sir, it's important to be self-dependent, sir. We can't depend on others always. So NCC teaches us how to stand on our own feet, okay, to do our own things, to communicate others without help of anybody close to us.
So nowadays, women is going to play active role like a gent or boy. What do you tell about them?
Sir, there is no difference between men and women, sir. Apart from the physical strength, sir, in NCC, even the physical strength is same for the men and women, sir. What we do the same what men do. So, yes, sir. Also, women got a little low self-esteem, so it will increase our self-esteem too, sir.
Okay. Your parents are so happy by seeing you as you were in the dress.
Sure.
So what
sir.
do you want to tell to the parents?
Sir, I did All India Thalsani camp, and they were so happy that I get to see Delhi and I got to fire in the nationals, sir.
So what do you want to tell to them?
They supported me in every way possible, sir. So a big thanks to them, sir.
Okay, all the best, Amma.
Jain, sir.